Today we're going to explore the verb used to, a handy structure in English for talking about the past. We use used to plus base verb to describe actions, habits, or situations that were true in the past but are no longer part of our present. It helps us reflect on how things have changed, whether it's routines, preferences, or places we live. Let's take a closer look at how it works and how to use it correctly in everyday conversation. We use used plus infinitive to describe a habit or regular action from the past, but we don't have the habit or do the action in the present. It helps us reflect on how things have changed, whether it's routines, preferences, or places we live. For example, in the past, Mark used to work in an office. Now he works in a restaurant. Look at other examples. Mark used to like hamburgers. Now he prefers fruit. Jane used to smoke. She no longer smokes. The first thing we need to understand is how to form affirmative sentences when using used to. We start with the subject plus used without any changes in its spelling because the same form is used for all grammatical persons. It is followed by the main verb in the infinitive form. Let's take a closer look at its structure. Subject plus used plus main verb in infinitive form. Let's see some examples. I used to read comic books every night. You used to play soccer after school. He used to eat cereal for breakfast. She used to live in a small village. It used to be a bakery before it closed. We used to go camping every summer. They used to study French in high school. To form negative sentences, we use the auxiliary did followed by the particle not, but the main verb stays in its base form. We can also use the contracted didn't with any grammatical person. Watch the basic structure and some example. Structure: subject plus did not plus use in base form plus verb in infinitive form. Examples: I did not used to like spicy food. You did not used to play the guitar. He did not used to enjoy reading. She did not used to live in Mexico. It did not used to rain so much in October. We did not used to go hiking on weekends. They did not used to eat vegetables. Examples with contracted form. I didn't used to like spicy food. You didn't used to play the guitar. He didn't used to enjoy reading. She didn't used to live in Mexico. It didn't used to rain so much in October. We didn't used to go hiking on weekends. They didn't used to eat vegetables. For interrogative sentences with used to, we place the auxiliary did first, followed by the subject, then use in its base form, plus the main verb in its infinitive form. Don't forget to include the question mark. Look at the following examples with short answers. Did I used to play soccer? Yes, you did. No, you didn't. Did you used to eat cereal for breakfast? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Did he used to ride a bike to school? Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Did she used to watch cartoons? Yes, she did. No, she didn't. Did it used to work well? Yes, it did. No, it didn't. Did we used to go camping? Yes, we did. No, we didn't. Did they used to live in Mexico City? Yes, they did. No, they didn't. Finally, questions that include a WH word to gather specific information are formed as follows. First, the interrogative word, such as what, where, why, who, or how, followed by the interrogative structure with used to as we know it. Look at the structure and some examples next. What, where, why, who, how, plus did, plus subject, plus used, plus verb in infinitive form. For example, what did you used to eat for breakfast? I used to eat toast and fruit. Where did she used to live? She used to live in Madrid. When did they used to go swimming? They used to go every Saturday. Why did he used to study late at night? He used to feel more focused then. Who did you used to hang out with? I used to hang out with my cousins. How did we used to celebrate birthdays? We used to have big family parties. In this presentation, we've explored how to form affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences, including WH questions to gather specific information. With practice, you will be able to use this structure fluently to describe your past experiences and ask meaningful questions. Remember that for these exercises, I need your participation and your help. Let's begin working on the grammar exercises that will help us learn and strengthen our understanding of how to use the verb used to. Let's see the first exercise. Complete the sentences with use or use. Remember that we use used when we have the particle didn't or did as an auxiliary verb. And we use used with affirmative sentences only. A volunteer to complete the first sentence, please. Yes, thank you, Valentina.
I didn't used to do much skiing.
Yes, didn't used, okay? We use used without D at the end because we have the auxiliary verb didn't. Thank you. Nadia, next, please. Nadia Iraíz, number 2.
Sería, we used to walk to school when we were children.
Yes, we used to walk. Sayuri, next. Thank you.
Sí, sería they don't used to let women join this club.
Be careful because don't is present. In this case, we have past. What is the auxiliary verb for past? Read it
Don't?
again. Sayuri? Sayuri? Can you read
Sí.
the sentence again, please? Because you said
Use it?
don't. Didn't.
Didn't.
Exactly. They didn't. Remember, did is the auxiliary verb for past. Then they didn't because you said don't. Okay? They didn't used to let women
Use.
join this club.
Okay.
Yes, Sayuri?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Didn't. Remember, we are speaking in past. Okay? Next, please, number 4. Please, Jasmine.
There used to be a lake here years ago.
Yes, you're right. Used. Okay. Yasmin, thank you so much for your help. Number 5, please. Who can help us with number 5? They are very easy for you. You have to choose only between use or used. A volunteer, please. Ariel, please help us.
John didn't used to like Mary when they were teenagers.
Exactly. Thank you so much. Okay, number 6, please. Who can help us with number 6? Paola, please.
When did they used to live here?
Exactly. Thank you so much, Paola. Okay, Norma Guadalupe, next, please. Norma, then Alejandra Camila.
Why did you use it? Do they use this whole photocopier?
Hey, thank you so much for your help. Then, Camila, please.
Sí, we never use it to have electric in our house.
Okay, thank you. Nadia, please, next.
Sería I hardly ever use it to save time for going out.
Okay, thank you so much. Norma Guadalupe, can you help us with the last one, please?
Did they used to let you smoke in cinemas?
Okay, thanks a lot. Okay. Remember then that with affirmative, we use used. And with negative and interrogative, we use used without T. Let's check the second exercise. On the second exercise, we have to make an affirmative, negative, or question using used to plus infinitive. At the end of the sentences, you have a parenthesis with a sign. That sign shows us that if the sentence is affirmative, negative, or interrogative. Okay? Then, please, who can help us with the number 1? Please, Valentina.
I used to live in a flat when I was a child.
Yes, you're right. Please, Yuri, can you help us with number 2, please?
Sí, sería, did we use to go to the beach every summer?
Yes, you're right. Here we have an interrogative, then we put at the beginning did. Thank you so much, Sayuri. Okay, another volunteer, please.
A ver, creo que yo, profesor,
Please, Santelis.
sería she used to love eat chocolate, but knows she hates it.
Yes, you're right. Okay. She used to love eating chocolate. Thanks a lot. Okay. Number 4, who can help us with number 4, please? Please, Nadia, help us.
Sería he didn't used to smoke.
Yes, you're right. He didn't used to smoke. A volunteer for number 5, please. Valentina, please help us.
I used to play tennis when I was at school.
Yes, you're right. I used to play tennis when I was at school. Okay, who can help us with number 6? Yes, Daniel, please.
She used to speak French, but she forgotten it all.
Yes, you're right. Thank you so much, Daniel. Okay, number 8, please. A volunteer for number 8. Nadia, please. Number 7.
No sé, bueno, no sé si estoy bien, pero según yo puede ser, did she used to play golf every weekend?
Yes, it is right. Okay, did he used to play golf every weekend? You're right, thank you. Okay, number 8. Please, Daniel.
They both used to have short hair.
Yes, you're right. They both used to have short hair. Number 9, please. A volunteer for number 9. Ariel, please. Number 9.
Julie used it to study Portuguese.
Yes, you're right. Yuli used to study Portuguese. Yes. Number 10, please.
Yo, profesor. Sería I didn't used to hate school.
Okay, Santelis, Daniela. Thank you so much. Okay, I didn't used to hate school. Okay, remember, if we have negative or interrogative sentences, we use the auxiliary did, but the verb used is going to be in the base form. And in affirmative sentences, we use used in past. It means with the used. Okay, thank you. Number 3, I need only 2 volunteers for this conversation. We are going to put in practice the verb used to in context. In this case, we have an interview, okay, between an interviewer and Sally. A volunteer to be the interviewer for all the conversation. Okay, Daniel. And then we have a Sally. Who wants to be Sally? Daniel, you are going to be the interviewer. Thank you. And then Sally, who is going to be Sally? Valentina, you are going to be Sally, and Daniel, you are going to be the interviewer. You can start, please.
What did you used to be like when you were a child?
I remember I used to wear very thick glasses and I used to be quiet, quite short and uncoordinated. To be honest, I didn't used to like myself very much. However, I'd say I had a very happy childhood.
What did you used to do for fun?
Oh, I have great memories. We didn't used to have phones or technology of any kind, and the streets used to be safer than now. So we used to play outdoors all the time.
Did you used to get good marks in school?
Yes, I used to study very hard.
Yes, you were right. Thank you so much for your great help, Daniel and Valentina. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see then our last exercise number 4. Okay. Match the questions on the left with the answers on the right. Writing the letter on the line. Okay. Then if you check here, we have 10 questions, and on the second column, we have the possible answers. A volunteer for number 1, please. Please, Daniel. Then
Number
Norma
one,
Guadalupe.
letter D, bus.
Can you read the
How,
question, please, Daniel?
yes. Bus, how did Martin used to go to school because he didn't have a ride?
Letter D, you said letter D, bus. Thank you so much, Daniel. You were right. Okay. Another volunteer for that number 2, please. Number 2, please, a volunteer. Nadia, please.
Sería H, Atia.
Yes, you're right. But read the question, please.
Is what didn't the boy used to wear to school?
A tie. Okay. A micro is open. Please close it. Norma Guadalupe, please. Next.
Letter B, numbers.
Exactly. But read the question, please, Norma Guadalupe.
What did your father used to tell you at bedtime?
Letter B, numbers. Oh, sorry. Number 4G. Where did you used to go to that was different when you were children? Letter G, the park. Okay. Daniel, please help us with number 5.
Number 5, letter J.
J.
A
Yes.
pilot
Read the
Sam
question.
used, yes, a pilot Sam used to dream at night about flying. What did he use to dreams of being?
A pilot. Thank you so much. Nadia, number 6, please. And then Valentina, number 7.
Sería A, sería what. Y
Yes.
la pregunta es, she used to eat at expensive restaurants. What didn't she used to do?
Letter A. Okay, cook. Then number 7, Valentina, please.
Fred used to cook hamburgers for a living. What did what did he used to do? Letter A, work?
A, the first one.
No. E,
E, dolls.
I. Sorry.
I, work. I. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, I. Okay. Thank you so much. Then number 8, please. Who can help us with number 8? A volunteer for number 8. Please, Daniel.
Number A, letter E.
E, exactly. Can you read the question, please?
Yes, dolls. Who did you used to talk to when you were a child that was in your imagination?
Exactly. Letter E, dolls. Thanks, Daniel. Then Nadia, please, number 9.
Sería leer F, acá. Yes, what didn't Jill use to drive to work?
Exactly. A car. Then Nai Osorio, the last one, please.
C is letter C.
Yes, you're right. Can you read the question?
Is Liz often used to go to French? What language did she so speak?
Yes, you're right. Okay, letter C. Well done. Thanks for joining me today. I hope these exercises help you feel more confident using used to for past habits and routines. Okay. Then, do you have any question or comment? No questions, no comments. Ok. Les recuerdo nada más que hay que cubrir las actividades de inglés 3, por favor. Todavía tenemos tiempo, todavía pueden entregar todas las actividades de inglés 3. Y el día de hoy en la tarde les abro la unidad 3, el foro de la unidad 3 de inglés 4 para que vayan viendo la actividad integradora que debemos de subir y el portafolio de evidencias de la unidad 3. ¿Ok? Questions. Sí, Marlene,
Para la última que va a subir, ¿hasta cuándo tenemos tiempo para entregarla?
hasta marzo, creo. Bueno, en marzo tenemos que entregar la 3 y la 4. ¿Ok? Déjame checo
Ok,
bien.
gracias.
Por aquí tenía el calendario. Déjame tantito, ahorita te lo digo. Les dije unidad 3, ¿verdad? El martes 3 de marzo.
Ok, gracias.
Martes 3 de marzo, perdón. Martes 3 de marzo. Ok, de la unidad 3 hasta el martes 3 de marzo tenemos para poder subir la actividad integradora y el portafolio de evidencias. ¿Alguna otra pregunta, alguna otra aclaración? No? Thank you so much for your attendance and your participation on this class. See you next Saturday. Have a nice week. Bye bye.